How to create data entry forms in Excel. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a very simple guide in order to be able to do so. At Microsoft Excel, you can build forms in two main ways, a built-in form tool or a custom form using controls. Let's get started. So one of them is using built-in Excel data. That is one of the easiest method available and the fastest also. So we can prepare our headers. Go ahead and prepare headers, for example, name, age, number, address, something like this. And we can select up the data range like this. And once selected, we can press Ctrl plus D to create up a table and go ahead and even select this option called My Table Has Headers and click on OK. And it will create us a header for us this way. And we can add the form button as well. So what we can do is we can just go over and select it. Click on the file option and click on options, more, options, and go to quick access toolbar. So here you can just go and click on find and select, or click on find, here find, and go ahead and drop it down and click on add. After that, click on OK, and once it is done, you just need to go over and click anywhere in the table, and here if the form button appears, you can just go and click on it, where you can add up new records, search for the entries and edit the data, and even go ahead and delete the records. You just need to go over and do so. Another method we can do is we can use the developer tab. So first of all, enable it, go to file and look out for the option called more and click on options and click on customize ribbon and click on the option called developer here and ensure this one is turned on and click on OK and confirm it up. Now go to the developer option in the top and here we can click on insert. After we've done so, we can choose the option for text box here. So here are a bunch of options available. You can just go and choose a text box. Once it is done, we can just go over and even choose the option for drop down list. So go ahead and choose it up and go ahead and apply it up. And resize it accordingly as well and go ahead and place it like this. Once it is done, you can do OK and click on drop down and it will pop up this way. So you can just go over and arrange the fields like name, inbox, age, input, or submit button. So go ahead and use this option called insert for that. And go ahead and add text box and many more and go ahead and do so. So I can add up a macro name, new record, and click on OK and confirm it up and arrange different fields named here. And you should be finding the button available here. You can just go over and add it. We can even click on it and go ahead and customize it accordingly. And that's it. You can always convert the data into a table first, and you can use that option built in as one of the easiest method we can follow for that. Or you can just go and follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.